Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to fix Roblox Authentication failed error code 403. An error was encountered during authentication. So the first thing to do is to go to your settings, go to Network and Internet, kind of scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Here in Advanced Network Settings, all you have to do is to click Ethernet. And then once you click this one, Ethernet status will pop up. Now go to Properties. Once you click Properties, you need to scroll down and click Internet Protocol version. Now you need to click this one. In general, select this Use the following DNS server addresses. Now in Preferred DNS server, you need to type these numbers 8888. Always remember these numbers. And then once done, go to alternative DNS server, kindly type 8844. After that, click Validate Settings upon exit. Now click OK. And then after that, you can now see it's detecting problems. And then once done, click Close. Close everything. And then after that, go to search bar, type Run, and then click. Now you need to type %, local app data, and then %. Once done, click Browse, and then scroll down and look for the Roblox folder. Now once you found it, right-click and then delete. But since this is just a tutorial, so I won't delete my Roblox folder. Close and exit. Now all you need to do is to restart your computer. Now after restarting, this error will be fixed. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and tutorials.